Most people think getting rich means looking rich. New car, designer clothes, luxury trips on your feed. But here is the truth. The people actually building wealth are invisible. They do not flex it. They do not post it. And they definitely do not spend it trying to look like they have it. These are the 12 quiet habits that separate the wealth builders from the wealth performers. Habit number 1. Pay yourself first and automate it completely. The moment your paycheck hits, money flows straight into investments before you ever see it. Not what is left over at the end of the month. That is always zero. Real wealth builders treat savings like a bill. Non-negotiable. They set up automatic transfers on payday. Whether that is $200 or $2,000, it moves before you can spend it. Out of sight, growing. Habit 2. They ignore their income and obsess over their net worth. Income is just cash flow. Net worth is what you actually own minus what you owe. Someone earning $150,000 a year but spending $148,000 is not building wealth. Someone earning $60,000 and investing $15,000 is. These people do not brag about raises. They quietly watch their assets grow. They review their net worth every month the way others check their follower count. Habit 3. When they earn more, they do not spend more. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it is the silent wealth killer. Every raise gets quietly redirected. Every bonus goes into investments, not a bigger apartment. They keep living like they earn less than they do. For years, while everyone else upgrades their lifestyle with every pay bump, these people are upgrading their portfolio. The gap compounds over time. Habit 4. They protect their margin by keeping fixed costs lean. Fixed costs, rent, car payment, subscriptions, are the enemy of wealth building because they repeat every month forever. Wealthy builders choose modest housing, drive used cars, and cut recurring expenses without a second thought. They know that every dollar you lock into a fixed cost is a dollar you cannot invest. They are not cheap. They are strategic. Habit 5. They do not try to get rich fast. They get rich slowly. No crypto moonshots. No hot stock tips. Just boring, low-cost index funds on autopilot. Every month, without checking the market, they add to their positions. When markets crash, they do not sell, they buy more. This consistency over decades is what actually builds wealth. The S&P 500 has returned roughly 10% annually for the last 100 years. Habit 6. They are immune to sales psychology. A 50% off sale only saves you money if you were already buying it. Wealth builders see through this. They do not buy things they did not plan to buy just because it is a deal. They ignore Black Friday hysteria. They skip limited time offers. Their spending is intentional, based on genuine need and planned purchases. Every impulse buy avoided is capital redirected to compounding. Habit 7. They understand money mechanics that most people ignore. They know how compound interest works. They understand expense ratios. They know the difference between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. They understand how taxes affect investment returns. They did not learn this in school. They read books, listened to financial podcasts, and study their own portfolio. Financial literacy is not glamorous, but it is the foundation everything else sits on. Habit 8. They do not rely on one check. Quietly, over years, they build additional income streams. A rental property, dividend income, a side business, an online course. They do not announce it, they just build it. When one stream slows down, the others keep flowing. This diversification is not about looking successful. It is about eliminating the risk that one bad event, a layoff, a health crisis, wipes them out. Habit 9. They started early, or they start now. Compound interest is the closest thing to a financial superpower. $10,000 invested at 10% annually becomes $174,000 in 30 years. Add regular contributions, and that number explodes. But the magic requires time and patience. So quiet wealth builders do not wait for the right moment. They know the best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Habit 10. They are obsessed with not losing what they have built. Emergency fund, 6 months of expenses, liquid, untouched. Adequate insurance, health, life, disability. Legal protection, beneficiaries updated, maybe a basic trust. These are not exciting investments. They do not grow your wealth, but they protect it from the events that erase years of progress. Real wealth builders know that avoiding catastrophic loss is just as powerful as generating gains. Habit 11. They are completely unbothered by what other people think of their money choices. They do not buy a car to impress coworkers. They do not upgrade apartments to match friends. They are not in a social competition. This is harder than it sounds. Status pressure is constant and invisible. But wealthy builders have made peace with being underestimated. They know the score is not on Instagram. It is on their balance sheet. Habit 12. They are delayed gratification machines. Not once in a while, all the time. They wait for the considered purchase instead of the impulse buy. They think in decades, not months. While others live for the weekend, these people are building for the life they want in 10 years. Every sacrifice compresses timelines. Every delayed spend is a brick in the foundation. And one day, they do not have to wait anymore. These 12 habits are not secrets. They are just uncommonly practiced. If you start with just one, automate your savings, cut one fixed cost, open an index fund account. You have already separated yourself from most people. Wealth is built in the quiet moments. If this video hit different, subscribe. We break down exactly how to build real money without the noise. Next video, the 5 investing mistakes that keep people broke.